The Oshkosh JLTV Joint Light Tactical Vehicle (JLTV) in stealth matte black appears like a war-built machine designed for absolute dominance, engineered not just for transportation but for survival, speed, and battlefield superiority in the harshest conditions on Earth. From the very first frame, the vehicle commands attention with its aggressive armored silhouette, angular combat-ready body design, reinforced ballistic panels, heavy-duty suspension system, and massive all-terrain tires built to crush sand, mud, rocks, and debris without hesitation. The stealth matte black coating absorbs light and removes all visual distraction, giving the JLTV a classified special operations appearance that feels straight out of a futuristic military universe. As the engine ignites, a deep mechanical roar echoes through vast desert plains, shaking the ground beneath it, while dust clouds rise dramatically behind the vehicle as it surges forward with unstoppable force. Cinematic drone shots capture it speeding across extreme landscapes, crossing rocky mountain passes, storming through dry riverbeds, navigating dense forests, and pushing through abandoned industrial war zones, each movement highlighting its unmatched mobility and engineering precision. The independent suspension system works in perfect harmony with the terrain, keeping the vehicle stable even during high-speed off-road maneuvers where ordinary vehicles would fail instantly. Slow-motion footage reveals every detail: gravel exploding beneath the tires, shock absorbers compressing under pressure, and sunlight reflecting subtly off the matte armor in a way that enhances its stealth identity. This is not just a military vehicle. It is a symbol of engineered resilience, designed to protect soldiers in combat zones where threats are unpredictable and survival depends on technology, strength, and reliability. Built to resist blasts, withstand harsh environmental conditions, and operate in extreme temperatures, the JLTV represents a new generation of tactical warfare mobility where protection and performance exist in perfect balance. Inside the cabin, the environment shifts from brutal exterior power to controlled technological precision, featuring advanced digital interfaces, secure communication systems, ergonomic seating, and mission-focused controls designed for extended operations under stress. Every detail inside the cockpit is optimized for awareness, coordination, and efficiency, ensuring that operators remain fully in control even during high-intensity missions. The engine delivers powerful torque that allows the vehicle to climb steep hills, cross deep mud, and maintain speed across uneven terrain without losing balance or control. Cinematic lighting enhances the atmosphere as the JLTV moves through different environments, from scorching deserts under blazing sunlight to dark, silent landscapes under moonlight, where only tactical lights guide its path forward. The visual storytelling builds tens. As the journey continues, the stealth matte black JLTV evolves into a cinematic symbol of power, endurance, and next-generation warfare capability, pushing through extreme terrain with unwavering stability and precision while showcasing why it stands among the most advanced light tactical vehicles ever built. Dust storms swirl around its armored body as it accelerates through rugged battlefields, while helicopter drone shots capture its movement across vast open deserts, emphasizing scale, strength, and dominance. The vehicle performs effortlessly across multiple terrains, rocky cliffs, muddy swamps, sandy dunes, and broken urban environments, demonstrating its adaptability in real-world combat scenarios where conditions change instantly and survival depends on mobility. Every mechanical detail reflects purpose-driven engineering: reinforced chassis for blast protection, advanced drivetrain systems for maximum traction, and military-grade components designed for long operational endurance. Inside, the crew operates with confidence as digital systems provide real-time battlefield data, navigation support, and secure communication links, ensuring coordinated missions even in high-risk environments. The JLTV's suspension system continues to absorb shocks with precision, allowing it to maintain speed and stability even when the terrain becomes unpredictable and dangerous. As night falls, the atmosphere transforms into a cinematic masterpiece. Tactical lights cut through darkness, shadows stretch across the terrain, and the matte black armor blends seamlessly with the environment, creating a stealth illusion that enhances its combat identity. The engine sound becomes deeper and more intense, echoing across valleys and open fields, reinforcing the presence of a machine built for serious operational dominance. This is where engineering meets battlefield reality, where design meets destruction resistance, and where mobility meets survival strategy. The Oshkosh JLTV is not just a vehicle. It is a mission-ready platform trusted in modern military operations for reconnaissance, troop movement, convoy protection, and rapid deployment scenarios where every second matters. Its balance of speed, armor protection, and off-road capability makes it a cornerstone of modern tactical warfare mobility. Would you trust this machine in your toughest mission? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like the video if you love military tech, share it with enthusiasts, and subscribe for more cinematic vehicle showcases.